Today I'm going to be making no-bake cheesecake with yuzu flavor. Easy but delicious, perfect dessert for a warm spring day. First off, let's make the crust. In a food processor, put in graham cracker and process until it makes crumbs. Add melted butter and process until well combined. Mix in toasted and chopped walnut for the crunch and add toasty richness. Place the mixture firmly into the bottom of two 6-inch cake molds or springform pans using a spoon or small cups. In a large bowl, beat cream cheese until soft and smooth and add Greek yogurt and whisk to combine. Add condensed milk and whisk together. Last but not least, add yuzu juice and whisk until nice and smooth. Yuzu is a citrus fruit that is native to Japan and East Asia, and it has an elegant tartness and comforting fragrance. And it is similar to a combination of lemon and lime and grapefruit. If you cannot find it, just replace it with lemon. Pour mixture in a prepared pan and smooth the top with a spatula, or you can create a swirl pattern. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours to overnight until set. Meanwhile, let's make Yuzu Curd. This is my first trial making curd with yuzu juice. To my supplies, it has a mild zesty flavor that is perfect for adding a citrusy kick to the cheesecake. Whisk together 1 egg and 3 egg yolks, add sugar and mix until well combined. Add in yuzu juice little by little and mix well. Press through a sieve and transfer to a heavy bottom pot. And cook over low heat until it thickens and bubbling, until it becomes a smooth paste. Add unsalted butter and leave it until the butter loosens with the heat. And then whisk until smooth and glossy. Yuzu curd can be used as topping for cakes and scones and toast and biscuit, anything you want. Transfer to a bowl and cover directly with the plastic wrap, and put it on the ice bath until chilled. Before serving, loosen up the side with the hot towel and then remove from the pan. Slice with warm knife and serve with a big drop of yuzu curd. It doesn't require any baking, but so delicious and refreshing. Enjoy the delicious no-bake cheesecake with yuzu flavor. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And tap the bell icon not to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for more information. And Amazon the store has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And join me on the Happy Eating group to share your food with me. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!